fabrication work finally is completed for Katana, and we are now at JY Body Kit Factory. Today we're here to install the new aero kit, and what James did was he crafted this from scratch by just looking at the rendering. That's really impressive. Okay, well, first of all, what's the difference between the old kit and the new aero kit? Well, you can tell obviously it's a lot more aggressive and also wider as well in overall width, make the whole car beefier as well. So now we wait for James to complete the installation, and I'm super excited and I can't wait to show you guys when it's done. There you have it, guys, the new aero kits. I'll let you guys decide whether you like it or not. Personally, I love it. Lots of changes, super wide body. Just ignore the rim for now. This is not the actual rim for this kit. We have another set of forged wheel by Keith, custom made, to go with this kit. I think it's beautiful. Still got a bit more work to do, all the minor touch up. I like the plastering work before we can actually spray and wrap the car. For now, I think I'm pretty happy. It looks dope. It looks really sick. It makes the whole car a lot bigger. It's like on steroids, you know? So good jobs to JY Body Kits. This has to be my favorite part. The cutout of the center part of the engine and the two exhaust tip exit through the bonnet. It's so wow. Sneak peek on Katana. As you all can see, we're all very busy here. We're all getting the car ready for Tokyo Auto Saloon in about 2 weeks time. So as you can see, the car looks pretty good. The fenders are up. The white body by JY looks incredibly sexy. I just love it. So what we're gonna do is a little bit of wrap and combination of paint as well. So it's not a full wrap per se. Livery wise, very soon we'll show you when it's done. Come over here, let me show you. Check out this engine placement. It's just so clean and neat. I just love it. It's so simple, no drama, full NA, unlike Mothership. Twin turbo, lots of hoses everywhere, dramas everywhere, but this is super clean. I love it. Let's come over here, side profile. I'm pretty proud with my in-house team. I mean, the entire panel is all spread in-house. Multitasking, they can do all sort of things, from social media to wrapping the car to now even spraying the panel. So pretty impressive. Okay, interior is pretty empty right now because we're waiting for a new interior seat from DK as well, meaning to say the entire interior will be fresh from the dash to the seat. So be patient, guys. Another 1 more week, the car will be fully assembled. 6 more days to Tokyo Auto Saloon KL. The car is now back in our studio. Throughout the next few days, we're just going to do a lot of installation, all the bits and pieces. And today we just received our new seat from DK Schweizer. Check out my new seat, so beautiful, fully custom by DK Schweizer, full Alcantara with perforated in the middle for extra cooling. Of course, we're going to install our new Titan suspension as well. Since everything is new engine, of course, new battery by Amaron, currently fully charged by C-Tech Pro. Also, our new wire harness is now done, and we will only fire up the engine next week. The new aero kit by JY is now fully painted and also mounted on the car. Also, we are excited to install Nashin cast monoblock calipers. Lastly, while all this is happening, only things left is for Peter to finish up with the new livery, and we'll see you guys in Tokyo Auto Saloon in the next 6 days.